Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to delete some keys from a hash, but we're going to do it using standard import. So I've created a hash called countries and I've got my keys and values in there: UK, London, France, Paris, Spain, Madrid, etc. So we're going to come on to the next part of the code here, which is I'm going to create a scalar variable called del for delete element. I'm going to assign it to prompt, which will get user input. Tell the user what I want them to do. Enter element to delete. Okay. And then we're going to use a conditional statement called if. Then the hash, which is going to be countries. And then the scalar variable del element. Then a colon exists. So if this element that the user has typed in exists, we're going to do something. So it's going to be countries and the del element there, then simply delete. Okay, and then what we're going to do, we're going to print out the hash, which is countries, or else, if we have a problem with that, we've got a catch-all here called else. We're going to say del doesn't exist. Right, okay, so we've got that. We're going to type in Raku. We're going to run the program. Raku, it's called test.raku. First of all, we've got to call the program though, so the program is called hash. So let's call the program first, hash. Then let's run it. Oops. Okay, I forgot to add a brace here. Yeah, so I've just done that now. Let's just run the program again. Raku test.raku. Hit enter. Okay. So it's telling me to delete an element, but I won't do that just yet. I'll type in something that's not in the hash. So why? Okay, it doesn't exist. We know that. Okay, now let's delete an element. Right, I want to delete UK. Hit enter. Yeah, you see UK has gone. We've only got France and Spain left. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give it a big thumbs up. Bye-bye.